VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy. As you know, we have just launched members of Jabroni Killers, right? As we are the most trusted source in blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and technical analysis on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. And we thank you for that trust into this company, right? On this first day of spring, seasonably mild to warm, 63 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. Much, much warmer than my hometown of the Roseville metropolitan area in the great state of Michigan, right? Where it's only 48 degrees today. Quite the difference, as there's a front between here and now, right? Ooh, this ain't where I want to sit. This I would not recommend. This is what the rest of the people are doing that aren't members of Jabroni Killers. See that? They're sitting on the railroad tracks. And I would not recommend that. And I did not realize I was on the railroad tracks because I never stop on the railroad tracks, right? Because you can get killed that way. I wouldn't recommend ever stopping on the fucking railroad tracks, right? But you can see the Bitcoin is continuing to pump today. It's been a nice day for everybody swing trading and anybody in that trade with Vincenzo. We bought it when Bitcoin broke the orange ring, right? With Bitcoin SV, when Bitcoin broke that orange ring, Bitcoin SV retested and it hit my limit order down here. And then I put a buy alert out to my members of Jabroni Killers that get the first mover advantage. When I seen it on the drive that my order did get hit because I was very busy packing and traveling, and I put a video out early Monday morning when I was driving on the retrace, and I said it was a buy alert even though it was in a retracement zone, and I showed you where I thought it could go. But you see now it's coming back down to the 200-day moving average. I did raise my stop loss like I told you this morning. I raised my stop loss from my entry price down here to right here at about $81 even, just below the last drop zone right here. Just in case it does want to come all the way back and retest again, I'll have a little bit of profit. There are no fees on the site that I'm trading on, and then I could always rebuy back in or reevaluate the market then. So it's a nice smooth trade. We're up about 12% now at current price. And for everybody that was in this coin or took the technical analysis to get into other coins, across the board, it was about a 10 to 20% rally from the lows. So plenty of room to get in and out of on a nice 12 or 13 or 14% profit, right? So that's what we're looking at there. The XRP is in the same spot. It bounced off of where the blue ring or the blue arrow was, that symmetrical triangle, 72 cents. As long as you're above that in the 200-day, you're bullish. If you break below the 200-day and slip below that 72 cent lower support, blue trending line, light blue, then you're very bearish and you get out of the coin. XLM, same thing. We bounced off that 17 cents, right? You see that? Bounced off that 17 cents nicely. And as long as we're above the 200-day and stay above that 17 cents, you're bullish. If you break below that 17 cents, you're bearish on any kind of swing trade that you've entered in over the last week or two. Same thing with Algo. We've been on top of Algo. It's now over the 200-day, which is bullish. The moving averages are leveling off or slightly uptrending, which is neutral to slightly bullish. So if you can hold that 200-day, that's your sell zone. If you break that 200-day in the hour time frame and close below it, probably going to have a fall, right? DGB's in the same thing as Algo. See that? Algo and DGB look very similar. DGB seems to be slightly ahead as it's made the next leg up and is having eyes on that 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 9, 8 upper resistance zone, right? In DGB. So we're going to continue to watch out for that. Jerome, welcome back to the party. Jerome's been missing in action for a while, but he said he was getting some training to fight somebody. It was funny. You go in the comments and read his. He's always got something interesting to say. He sells hamburgers out of McDonald's parking lots, and he was in some taekwondo class so he could learn how to do some shit, right? So we'll take a look at Dent since Jerome is back. Jerome is one of the guys that likes the Dent, right? Let's get into here. Let's get into the altcoins, and you can see Dent was pumping, and it's similar. Dent is similar to Algo and to DGB, where we have a similar bounce. This one just happens to be in the shithouse where it bounced. You can see it got over the green support zone, and the moving average in green. The moving averages are slightly trending upward, and as long as you're above that 200-day, you remain bullish and Dent, right, for the immediate and short term. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing. Become a member of Jabroni Killers for the first mover advantage. Peace and love. Peace and love.